And fascism does not begin with guns. It does not begin with guns. It begins with disinterest. It begins with people saying, it's not my business. It begins with spiritual influencers telling you to stay in your own frequency. Or someone who would say, not my monkeys, not my circus. Okay? And by the time the surveillance begins, the bans are signed, the silence is normalized. It's too late because we were too busy healing to notice the harm, too busy with our self-care to practice collective care as well. So we need to do both. Collective care is missing. So self-care becomes a new religion. It becomes a new cult. Okay? Too busy with our self-care to practice collective care. So self-care has become the new religion. And the price of that religion is our humanity. And this is not a good religion. This is not a good church. So I'm not saying don't do self-care, but don't do self-care as your way of avoiding responsibility as a human. Okay?